Hey guys, this is Coding Champs here. We're gonna do Python this time. So, what is Python and everything? It's all in the description. So let us start off with downloading the software. Okay, so this is just downloading the software tutorial, and we shall come up with more tutorials in the future. So you can actually use any programming language you want, like Atom or Visual Studio Code, but honestly I would prefer Visual Studio Code. So what you do, right, is basically just search download Visual Studio Code. Okay, then you just go here, the first link, code.visualstudio.com. okay, then after that, depending on what you use, I'm using Windows in this case, but if you're using Mac or Linux, it's you choose your respective ones. So you just press the download button, and it should already start downloading, and then yeah, you can open it up soon. Yeah, there's all, you can even download Atom if you want. So like I'll say download Atom. Yeah, atom.io, it's this one. Okay, so then you can even press this download button here and then press download. Yeah, so in this case I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, so please download it. So you just open up the exe file depending on what you use. I'm using Windows in this case. Just press I accept. Then if you want, you can create a desktop icon, and then you can press install after that. I already have it installed, so I don't want to download a duplicate, but yeah, you get what I mean. So you can just press install after that. Yeah, well, I guess that's all, because this is just to download the software. We can end off the video now. The next video onwards, we're going to start with the basics of Python. Bye bye guys.